Today we start new topic, derivative of one function with respect to other function. So question number 4 based on this topic. So with the help of this question we discuss derivative of one function with respect to other function. So see, first sub question, differentiate x sin x with respect to tan x. That means here one function is x sin x, another function is tan x. We have to differentiate this x sin x with respect to tan x. So we denote this first function as u and this second function as v. Then this function converted to parametric form. So see here in solution we write let u is equals to x sin x, v is equals to tan x. That means here we have to differentiate x sin x with respect to tan x. That means we have to differentiate this u with respect to v. So we write here we have to find du by dv. That is we have to differentiate this u with respect to x. That means du by dx, and we have to differentiate this v with respect to x. That means we have to find dv by dx. So from this we calculate du by dv, that is the derivative of this x sin x with respect to tan x. So differentiate both u and v with respect to tan x. Right here differentiate both u and v with respect to x. Therefore from this we get du by dx is equals to, here we have to apply product rule. So apply here product rule. First function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. So we write here x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x into derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So derivative we get du by dx as x cos x plus sin x. Similarly we find here derivative of v with respect to x. Therefore dv by dx is equals to, we know that derivative of tan x with respect to x is sec square x. So we get here sec square x. Now we require du by dv. So we substitute the value here. So we write from equation 1 du by dv is equals to du by dx upon dv by dx. Here du by dx is x cos x plus sin x upon dv by dx is sec square x. So here we get derivative of this x sin x with respect to tan x as x cos x plus sin x upon sec square x. Now see, sub question second, differentiate sin inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So we write in solution first function as u. So write here let u is equals to sin inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square, v is equals to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So first we simplify the bracket, because here we have to apply sin inverse of sin theta is equals to theta form and cos inverse of cos theta is equals to theta. So for that we convert this bracket in terms of sin, and for this cos inverse this bracket as cos. So we write here put x is equals to tan theta. Therefore we get u is equals to sin inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. We replace x by tan theta, this x square by tan square theta. V is equals to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Here also we replace x square by tan square theta. So we know that this bracket is a double angle formula. We know the double angle formula: sin 2 theta is equal to, in terms of tan, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So we write this bracket as sin 2 theta, and this bracket 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta as cos 2 theta here. So we write u is equal to sin inverse of sin 2 theta, v is equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta. So applying this property, sin inverse of sin theta equals to theta. So here sin inverse of sin 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. So we get u is equal to 2 theta. V is equal to, here also cos inverse of cos get cancelled. We get for cos inverse of cos theta equals to theta. So here cos inverse of cos 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. So from this we write u is equal to v. Now we require here derivative of u with respect to v, that is the derivative of sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So we write here differentiate u with respect to v, therefore we get du by dv is equal to, so in left hand side we get derivative of u as du by dv, derivative of v. Now see sub question third, differentiate tan inverse of x upon in root 1 minus x square with respect to sec inverse of 1 upon 2x square minus 1. So here we denote this first function as u and second function as v. So write in solution, let u is equal to tan inverse of x upon under root 1 minus x square, v is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon 2x square minus 1. So we have to differentiate u with respect to v. So outer function is tan inverse. With the help of substitution, we convert this bracket in terms of tan or in terms of cot. Here outer function is sec inverse. With the help of substitution, we convert this bracket in terms of sec inverse. So right here put x is equal to, if we write 1 minus x square, if we replace this x by tan theta, we get 1 minus tan square theta, but we don't have the formula for that. So here we write x is equal to cos theta or x equals to sin theta. So see here, when we replace this x by sin theta, but we have to write here also 2x square minus 1. So we write here x is equal to cos theta. So when x equals to cos theta, we write u is equal to tan inverse of, here we write in numerator cos theta upon in root we write 1 minus cos square theta. V is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we write this tan inverse cos x upon, we know the identity 1 minus cos square theta, we write sin square theta. So here square and square root get cancelled. So we write here directly sin theta, or you can add one more step. So write in root sin square theta. V is equal to cos inverse of, sec inverse of 1 upon 2 cos square theta, which we write cos 2 theta. By using double angle formula, we know that cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So here we write this tan inverse of cos x upon, we have to write here cos theta. So cos theta upon sin theta here we get V is equal to sec inverse of this 1 upon cos 2 theta, we write sec 2 theta. So right here tan inverse of cot theta, V is equal to sec inverse of. So right here directly sec inverse of sec theta is equal to theta. So here value in place of theta is 2 theta. So we write V is equal to 2 theta. Here we have to write this U is equal to. So first we have to convert this cot in terms of tan. So for that we write tan inverse of this cot theta as tan pi by 2 minus theta, and this V equals to 2 theta as it is. V is equal to 2 theta as it is. So tan inverse tan get cancelled. We get U is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. So from this V equals to 2 theta, we find value of theta in terms of V. So from this we write theta is equal to V by 2. So we replace this theta by V by 2. Therefore U is equal to pi by 2 minus V by 2. Now differentiate this with respect to V. So right here differentiate with respect to V. Therefore derivative of U with respect to V is du by dv. Pi by 2 is a single constant. So derivative of first term is 0 minus derivative of second term. So minus sign. So we write here 1 by 2 into derivative of V. Derivative of V with respect to V is 1. So we get here du by dv is equal to minus 1 by 2. That means derivative of tan inverse x upon root 1 minus x square is sec inverse of 1 upon 2x square minus 1. Now say sub question 4. Differentiate cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse of x. So first we write in solution first function as u. So write let u is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Second function as v. So v equals to tan inverse of x. Now we have to differentiate u with respect to v. So first we simplify this bracket so as to convert that bracket in terms of cos. So put here, put x is equal to tan theta. So we get u is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and v is equal to tan inverse of tan theta. So this is double angle formula for cos. So we write here cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Here we use tan inverse of tan theta equals to theta. So we write v is equals to theta, and here also we have to write cos inverse of cos 2 theta is equals to 2 theta. So we write u is equals to 2 theta. Now v equals to theta, that means we write u is equals to 2 into v. We replace theta by v. So we differentiate with respect to v. Therefore du by dv is equal to 2 is constant. Derivative of v with respect to v is 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So we get a derivative of this cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse x is 2. Now see sub question 5. Differentiate 3 raised to the power x with respect to log of 3 to the base x. So we know that first we find derivative of log x with respect to x when base is e, and derivative we get 1 by x. Here base is x. So we have to apply here change of base rule first. We know that log m to the base n can be written as log m upon log n, and base can be written as e, or you can take any base. So log m to the base a upon log n to the base a. So we always write when derivative of log base as e. So base, if base of that log x is e, we write derivative of that log x as 1 by x. So we apply here for log 3 to the base x, change of base rule, and write the base as e. So write in solution first. Let u is equals to 3 raised to the power x, v is equals to log 3 to the base x. So we change the base. So write here log 3 upon log x. If we not write the base, then we consider base as e. So we differentiate this first function with respect to x. So write here differentiate both u and v with respect to x. So derivative of u with respect to x, we write du by dx. Derivative of 3 raised to the power x is 3 raised to the power x into log 3. Then we write this as log 3 into 1 upon log x. Because log 3 is constant, we have to find the derivative of 1 upon log x. So derivative of v, we write dv by dx is equal to log 3 is constant. So we write a derivative of log x. And for 1 upon x, we know that derivative is minus 1 upon x, its square. So instead of x, here value is log x. So write minus 1 upon log x, its bracket square. Then we have to find derivative of this log x. So write in one bracket square bracket, and derivative of this log x is 1 by x. So we write this as minus 1 by x into log x, its bracket square, into log 3. So we write in numerator 1 into log 3 as log 3. So here du by dx is 3 raised to the power x into log 3. dv by dx is minus log 3 upon x into log x, its bracket square. So we get here du by dv is equals to du by dx upon dv by dx. Now substitute du by dx as 3 raised to the power x into log 3 upon dv by dx as minus log 3 upon x into log x, its bracket square. So we cancel this log 3 with this log 3, and we write this x log x its square in numerator. So we write final answer as, to write here minus sign, minus